Very important. So do dhyana or pranayama every day. Then training your word is also very important. How you speak is very important. So training your word is very important. So youngsters, other than your textbooks, read some books. So book reading is very, very important. Final thing is train your thought process. Generally lot of people have negative feelings. They always think negative. This cannot be done. Always try to develop a positive mindset. For that, you need to read the biographies and autobiographies of great people. If you read the biographies and autobiographies of great people, you always develop a positive mindset. So these 4 trainings are very, very important, especially for tomorrow. Train your body, train your mind, train your word, and train your thought process. మీరు కనుక ఈ 4 trainings మీరు ఇచ్చుకోగలిగితే, then definitely India will become number 1. So thank you very much, Guru Garu, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to say